Hey, it's Greg Luther coming at you here today with some information on how you can get yourself some new listings as a real estate agent. Now, obviously, I coach realtors all over the country, and there's a million ways for you to pick up listings, but you know a really cool way to have them referred to you on a regular basis, and it costs you $0 to do it. So we're all excited about that. The way this works is one of the foundational model trainings that I have. If you've been around us for a while, you know my Inner Circle coaching members, we have what we call the foundational model. So these are the foundational building blocks that get your business going immediately. One of those is to have some totally free marketing that costs you no money, but generates immediate revenue for you. And one of those foundational models is getting referrals from attorneys. So there's a lot of attorneys in your area. A lot of agents are surprised to see, if you look at your local bar association, there's more attorneys than there are realtors in this country. So that's hard to believe, but in most areas we find that to be true. So there's no shortage of people that can refer business to you. Now, what are we talking about here? What type of attorneys? Divorce attorneys is a very big one for us. Probate attorneys, another very big one for us. Tax attorneys is pretty good as well. So let's stick in the realm of divorce attorneys, and I'm actually going to give you some information today that you can start using to make money immediately with this. Now, there's a couple of different types of divorce attorneys. What we like doing is working with high volume attorneys that are flat fee. So I'm sure you've seen the signs on the side of the road like $499 will handle your entire divorce. We like doing those for two reasons. Number one, they're high volume, so they meet a lot of people. But number two, who do they represent? Are they representing the husband or the wife? Generally, it's non-contested, which means it's a fun client. It's not the nasty divorce situations. I'm sure you've had those nasty divorces before. Those clients are no fun, and a lot of times they get a little combative. It's not really what we're looking for. But if we can find those that just agree to disagree, they no longer want to be married anymore, well, as a decree of their divorce, the judge is going to require they sell their home, right? They have to sell that asset because 90%, actually more than 90% of all marriages end because of finance problems, right? They're having money problems. Well, if they needed both of them to qualify for the house when they first got it, he can't refinance to get it out of her name. She can't refinance to get it out of his name. And they're having money problems paying their bills with both of their incomes. So as a decree of the divorce, the court will require that they sell that home. Guess who tells them that? The attorney. So what we've done is we've created a system whereby we can get local attorneys to refer those clients to us. They help them on the divorce, the legal proceedings, and then they can say, here's a real estate agent that can help you out. Now, a lot of agents mistakenly think that attorneys already have a realtor that they send business to. That's not the case. As a matter of fact, I've got agents all over the country that have 3, 4, 5 attorneys that are sending business to them on a monthly basis. Now, keep in mind, if they represent 6 divorce cases this month, there's a good chance 3 of them rent, not our client, and 3 of them own, right? 50% of America owns, 50% rents. So half of their clients are prospective clients for us. So we can get that referral. What we've done is we've created a preferred attorney relationship. 2-page document. We email it to them or mail it to them, and we're getting tremendous results. Let me give you the tips on exactly how you do that here. What you're going to do is you'll go to a website called avo.com. AVVO. avo.com. When you go there, you put in your city, you put in whatever type of attorney you're looking for, and it'll give you this long list of all these attorneys, hundreds of them in your area. Send them an email with this letter, and some of them are going to contact you back and say, yes, I want to meet you face to face. Come to my office, or I'll come to your office. Let's talk about doing some co-op referrals here. Anytime I have somebody that needs to sell their home, I'll refer them to you. Anytime you have somebody that needs a divorce attorney, you refer them to me. When's a good time for us to get together? That's a good letter. So if you utilize that approach, and again, we teach all that in the foundational model. If you utilize that, you have, for totally free, you have attorneys referring business to you on a consistent basis. Now, obviously, we want high volume attorneys. Doesn't do any good to have an attorney that doesn't have many clients. We need somebody that works a lot of divorces or probates for that matter. We can do those as well. So that is a 2-page document if you're mailing it. Of course, if you're emailing it, which is free, if you're emailing it, it's just a longer email. So hopefully that makes sense to you that way. I think you'll find it to be incredibly valuable, and most importantly, get you a lot of listings. I've got a few agents that are getting 4, 5, 6 listings a month every single month of the year because they're duplicating this approach. So that 2-page document, I actually have it printed out right here as well. I was going over it because I was just working with another agent on this. That 2-page document, I'm willing to sell it to you. If you're interested in it, I'll sell it to you for the low price of $0. Let me just give it to you. Right? I mean, that's part of the whole social side of what we're doing and things available on the internet now. I'm already doing really well. Let me help you to grow your business. So this is working so well and can generate so much business for you. And if you followed me for a while, I try and give as much as I can. I know ultimately, if I'm growing your business, you and I are going to do business anyway, right? So let me just give it to you. I'm going to give it to you under 2 terms. Number 1, I want to make sure you follow this page. We got lots of great information. I'll just email this thing to you, but I need you to do these 2 things. Follow this page. And then also just tag 2 real estate agents. So down in the comments here, just make the comments and just tag 2 real estate agents. It might be somebody you know really well or just somebody you're acquainted with that you've met in the office. Trust me, they'll be thankful because they can get access to this and they can start working with some attorneys as well. So that's the only 2 things you need to do. I'll give you this thing for free. I'll just email it over to you. You'll have the entire document. It'll show you what to say to the attorneys, what to wear when you meet with them, how you stay in touch with them. I'll give you absolutely everything totally free. So follow this page so you can get yourself some more info, and then also tag 2 agents below. As you start typing, you just hit the @ sign, the little @ sign, and it'll bring up all of your people so you can tag a couple of real estate agents. Do so, and I'm going to get you access to this so you can start getting some listings by having local attorneys referring business to you. So hopefully that's helpful for you. Go out there and make some money here today. Let me know how I can be of service to you, what I can do to help you in getting some closings, buyers, sellers, luxury market, investors, all of the stuff that we teach on. I want you to use this for profit. Let me know how it works for you. Follow the page. Tag 2 agents below. Let me know where I can email this to you. I want you to start using it totally free of charge, and you can start getting some listings. So have a profitable day. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.